the electromagnetics. That's all here to help boost the immune system. Everything here is geared towards detoxing, boosting, rebuilding, educating you, and sending on your way as a new person. And that's pretty much the program in a nutshell. Also, when you've done the 3 weeks, you become an alumni. So when you come back year after year, which a lot of alumni do, they come back for tune-up, come back for 1 week, you get a 10% discount on when you return on the 3 higher levels of accommodations. And you also get, once a year, you can send your blood work in free of charge. Anything crops up in your blood work, a doctor's telling you that you need to do something, send your blood work to us first. Get a different take on perhaps there's something else you can be doing other than just going the pharmaceutical route. That's it. If you want to take advantage, I'll give everybody rate sheets when we get back to the hacienda. And if you want to take advantage of the 10% discount, it just requires putting down a $100 deposit today. And like I said, it's good for a year. Doesn't matter if you come for 1, 2, or 3 weeks or what level of accommodation you choose. It just means you've decided to change your life. That's it. Anybody have any questions?
Questions on pharmaceuticals. So this means I
So what do you think?
This is fun. I'd like to come here for a few weeks. I can't afford it.
Yeah.
You see the price?
No. Is that 15,000?
I didn't see anyone.
Shared at 9,000. Now, you do it off the campus. That's for a week.
I love that. Is this your first time here?
I think I'd rather just take the class, learn a bunch of stuff myself.